Bruno Cauli. I'm originally a pharmacologist, and I'm studying how specialized neuronal types control their own energy supply through interaction with blood vessels. And we are now studying how lifestyle could influence brain function, in particular through physical activities and food intake. So I'm doing brain slice experiments since my early ages in 1995, and I moved to Sorbonne University in 2008 when I started to set up my own group. We are a team of 13 people, for researchers and lecturers, for engineers and many PhD students, and I'm directing actually 3 PhD students.
I'm in the team Blood-Brain Communications. I study the mechanisms underlying neurovascular and neurometabolic couplings in the cortex using acute brain slices. More specifically, I aim to understand how lactate, which is released by astrocytes during brain activity, influences neuronal activity and blood flow. And these processes are interrupted in pathological conditions such as epilepsy. There is growing evidence where the lactate is not just a metabolic byproduct, but rather an important energy substrate. So I use acute brain slices from transgenic mouse line models expressing optogenetics tools such as the calcium sensor GCamp or channel rhodopsin. And it allows me to combine whole cell recordings, calcium imaging, and blood vessels imaging to evaluate the multimodal effects of lactate.
This Scientifica setup we bought more than 12 years ago in 2012, and we were very seduced by the possibilities and the price as well of these setups. In particular, the SliceScope, which is very robust, reliable, and cost-effective.
In my first year of PhD, I did a spring school, and we were using the Scientifica rigs. I can say I did all of my trainings with the Scientifica equipment. All of the components are motorized. I have the possibility to change the microscope stage, the 2 micromanipulators on the XY axis, and I also have the possibility to automatically change the objectives, which facilitates the screening of the neurons and blood vessels in the slice.
We have been using the scientific setup for more than 12 years, and it was very robust because I had several students, PhD students, who were using it, and sometimes they were quite rude with the rig, but it's still very solid. I think we can continue to use it for a decade, and we're pretty confident that other students will make a good experiment with it.